What about you, miss?
How to know your channel?
Oh, it's called Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing?
Yeah, you gotta be able to look out now. So make sure you're on the lookout.
Yes, sir. Hey, you interviewed my little sister.
Which one? What's her name?
Jordan, a little black purple car.
Which car?
Junior dragster.
Oh yeah. I remember she 9. Yeah, 11. Yeah. I remember her. She got the late box in there too, don't she? I remember talking to her. Yeah, I remember her, y'all. She ready. They gonna have all the cars here tomorrow, y'all. All different types, pro mods and everything. 50, 580. Yeah, 580. Let's go over here and see what he finna do. Make a full pass. They gonna let me know if it's that's not bad. Yeah, I just come here for content. That LS Fest, by it being so far, and at the track I don't know, and a whole bunch of people there with I don't know the service, I don't even want to play. He ran a 580 at 118. Hey, attention in the pits. Gotta take a shit. Come on. Got a car coming up, y'all. Dang. Let's say LS50. We got Birmingham, Alabama in here, y'all. Shout out to Birmingham, Alabama, one time for the one time. Where is that, Wilson?
Wilson got it.
Attention in the pit.
Attention in the pits. We got
What happened to Yellow Boy last night at the gut?
what did he do? He lost against that Turbo Honda, man. That Turbo Honda got on their ass.
How many times?
Twice. He got hit in the ass 2 times. I think he probably got Funkertown hit in his ass too.
He talking about that car running 590.
Man, that Honda got on that ass yesterday, boy.
Don't smoke
That Honda.
That Honda that was beat.
Y'all just playing with. I want to see what he playing with.
Talking about that Honda you was
Yeah, but they be underestimating them little Hondas, man. Them Hondas running. Them turbo, man, goddamn. Y'all gonna take away the fact it got a turbo and it's lighter than a Mustang. People complain about a Mustang. It's lighter than that. And it got the power adder that you don't want to see a Mustang with. You want to race a turbo Mustang? All right, then. He got a turbo Honda. It's lighter. You want to run him? Sound even more dangerous. Oh, he got front wheel drive. Well, that just made it like a rear wheel drive Mustang. That's all. Who this? He ain't finna run nobody. Oh, yeah. Let me see that. Let me see the lighter. You got the lighter on. Man, they trying to raise the gas price to $5, man. It's $4.79. And I'm on E. think I might need to do a poll. See if y'all want me to put them rims on there. Right lane for the win. I got some 22-inch rims that'll fit that Caprice, y'all. I could put them 22s on there. I'm pretty sure I eliminate somebody, you know what I'm saying? Got me some 22s.
I remember so miles you get there, so fun, dog.
Yeah, man. My boy, he missing Canada, reminiscing of the times when he was.
Used to be a bad motherfucker, Canada, boy.
He reminiscing them times he used to come to the track with 300 and leave with a band.
Fucking band, like 1,500, 1,800 out there, motherfucker.
Yeah.
On wheels in Canada.
He would leave with 1,800, y'all. Coming with $400, man. Leave with 1,800. Y'all know that's a. He used to be happy to go to the track. He couldn't wait till Sunday, y'all. He was like, hell yeah, I'm finna get money. Damn.
Trying to book them folks in Canada.
Damn. Damn, I ain't know. Oh, wait. How many people we got watching live tonight? Cold Waltz, how many on here? I ain't even turned on my TikTok because I left my phone in my cousin's car. I hope that was my cousin's car. I tracked it down. I hope that was him in Mesquite. Oh, 200. Okay, I guess that's a good number. Hey, 200 people.